Why is it always Ethiopia? Today I'm being voice for the voiceless, the innocent lives who have been brutally murdered in East Arsi Zone, Ethiopia. It's mostly believed that they are Ethiopian Orthodox Church members or believers, and it is believed they have been targeted because of that. Similar thing happened earlier this year on Muslim believers too. It's around Dessie region. So my question is, when is this going to end? How many lives are we going to end to find a solution, to find peace with the so-called rebellion groups or liberation fronts or whatever? We are losing lives. We are losing innocent people, not just people, families. And the most horrifying part is there are children. I even saw a post around a 4-year-old baby boy who survived this tragic murder under his dead mother's body. So you need to understand how devastating this is. So we call out for our government, we call out for the world, whoever is responsible for these kinds of repeated murders feeling like a loop, they have to be accountable. Somebody needs to do something about this. It is very disgusting, very horrifying, very heartbreaking. Ethiopia must stand. Ethiopia must keep its children safe. People are fearing they're no longer safe, especially out of the city zones. እባካችሁ የሚያለቅስ ኢሞጂ ኮሜንት ሴክሽኑ ላይ አትጠቀሙ። ቪዲዮ ቫይራል እንዳይሆንና ጉዳዩ ትኩረት እንዳይሰጠው የሚያደርገው ይሄ ነው። የለቅሶ ኢሞጂ አትጠቀሙ። ይሄን ቪዲዮ ሼር፣ ኮፒ ሊንክ አድርጉ። የንጹሃንን ደም ማፍሰስ ይብቃ።